everybody, and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We're going to do a Cincinnati Bengals football helmet, and I found this bowl, this kids cereal bowl, because it has a circle. You know, it's shaped like a circle, I should say. So find something that's circular, like a little bowl or a toy or something, and we'll start out with our black fine tip marker. We'll do a dot right here, and then a dot not quite on the half, but past the half point. And we're going to trace our circle bowl like so. So we have this circular shape, and now we're going to come down for the earpiece and up, and we're going to connect to this edge. Alrighty, and we'll do a little circle right here for the ear hole. Okay, so the Cincinnati Bengals is pretty cool. Has some stripes for these tiger stripes. Let's do a couple of reflections. So when the light hits a shiny helmet, it leaves a white reflection mark. So we'll do one right here, maybe a big one on top. We're going to leave these reflection marks white. Okay? So we're going to do our tiger stripes right down, right behind these reflections. So here's a down, and then up to the edge. We'll do another one up here. Remember, we're going to stay behind that reflection. Down and connect up to the reflection. Okay, here's a bigger one up here. Connect up to that line that we made. We're going to color these in black so it's not too crazy if we make any mistakes. And then this one kind of curves down and toward that ear hole. It starts out skinny on top and gets thicker and wider down toward the bottom. Okay. And the same thing on this back. We'll stop at that reflection mark. Alrighty. So we've got our tiger Cincinnati Bengals stripes outlined, and we are going to color this helmet in orange and these stripes in black. But first, let's do a face mask. So I'm going to actually get the wider end of the marker, and I'm going to just come across here and down. And make that a wide black mark there. Then we're going to go down and over. Make that a little wider for the face mask. Okay. And up here we're going to go down, kind of curve. Make that a little wider, a little darker black, and let's do a face mask right here, and maybe a face mask right here. Have it come across. You can do your own face mask. If this isn't the cool style that you like, feel free to Google it and do your own style. But this is the one we are going to do today. Make it kind of simple for kids. And let's color in the ear hole black. And now let's color this. We're going to fast forward. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. And we will see you next time.